Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm unboxing something super exciting for digital art lovers. The XP Pen Deco MW tablet. Let's crack this open and see what we've got inside. I also ordered an artist glove for smoother pen movement, so we're all set for a clean drawing experience. First, we've got the tablet itself, super slim and lightweight, perfect for drawing on the go. Then there's the battery-free stylus with over 8,000 levels of pressure sensitivity, feels great in the hand. XP Pen also includes a USB-C adapter, cable, extra nibs, and a nib remover, which is always a nice bonus. Setup looks super simple, and I'll be testing it out in my drawing software soon. First impressions? The build feels premium for the price, and the wireless feature is a big plus. If you're considering a budget-friendly drawing tablet, this one's definitely worth a look. Which is always great to see. Inside the box, you get the XP Pen Deco MW pen tablet, the X3 Elite Stylus, a USB to USB-C adapter, a USB to micro USB adapter, and a USB cable for charging and connection. They also include a wireless dongle, exclusive to the Deco MW model, which lets you use the tablet without any cables. For pen maintenance, there's a nib extractor and 10 extra nibs, which is really helpful for long-term use. You'll also find a quick guide and a warranty card to get you started and covered. Overall, it feels like XP Pen thought of everything you need to hit the ground running. If you liked this video, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed and dropped a comment. It helps me create more content for you.